Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no upload. I'm hoping that the audio is a lot better now. I've had a bit of an upgrade in the microphone department. This is the first time I've ridden out in the bush for a little while, so I thought I'd come out just for a late afternoon ride. Just check out some of the old trails that I haven't been on for a little bit, and just give you a no commentary, just sort of nice view of the ride. I always wonder how people get their cars out here and get them upside down. That's crazy. The last time I left off on this channel, there was issues with the carburetor on the bike, but as you can sort of see, oh, that's a big note rope. That's not a good note rope. Jesus. Okay. That's why I wanted to come and do a sight lap of this trail before I actually ride it. Ugh. Who needs to go to the gym when you can just move trees everywhere?